How to delete Twitch accounts permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Twitch account permanently. So this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to go ahead to launch the Twitch application. Okay, so just locate it and then launch the application. Alright, once the application is launched, move to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. And then on the profiles page, you can see the option account settings, which is the last option here. So click on that. Then on the settings page, the next step is for you to click on accounts. Alright. So by clicking on accounts, we're brought to the accounts page. On this page, you can see a number of settings that you can carry out, which includes edit profile, my subscriptions, log out of Amazon Prime, disable account, permanently delete account. So you can just select that. And then you'll be taken to another page where a write-up would show you, would explain the consequences of permanently deleting your account. Then you have to select the reason, then click on delete account, and that way your account will be permanently deleted on Twitch. So this is how we can go about it. So go ahead to delete that account now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.